Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, head currency analyst John Kibler. In this video we're going to look at Aussie dollar as we're seeing the market push towards that key resistance zone, those key resistance highs around about that 7170 that we've been talking about for a while now. And what we were looking for was the market to push towards this area this week, and for it being only Tuesday we are starting to see that nice little push up. I'm just going to jump to the 4-hour chart before I jump down into the hourly and just note what's going on. So what we've seen is the market was stalling down in here, so we had like a mini inverse head and shoulders pattern, and then the market started to become a little bit stuck around about that 7130 area. We've now pushed through, formed a higher high. So what we could expect on the 4-hour chart is a nice little pullback in retracement into this key level around about that 7170. Okay, so nice little retracement trade, pullback, trend continuation into that 7170. So that's the first sort of option we've got to look at here as well. The second sort of option is just marking out this area a little bit more clearly, like so, just using those opens and closes in the wicks, make this blue for our support zone. Just going to drop a fib in there, just see what's going on right now. See if there's any kind of fib confluence at this point. So we have a 618 fib just sitting right in here as well, which adds confluence to this support zone. So what we could see again is a nice push back down, retracement into that area, continuation. The 127 extension now sitting back up into that 7170 level, which is quite nice. Gives confluence to this resistance level where the market may find some sellers. Okay, if the market does decide to break out of here and close above, then we've got some serious upside to look forward to in the Australian dollar. We did do a video a week or so ago about the potential rise of the Aussie dollar for the next quarter. So it'd be interesting to see where that is. Let's just see where the quarter highs are. So I'm just going to jump to a 3-month chart, squeeze in the data. So the quarter highs are around about 7,300. Okay, so again, just going to drop back down into that daily time frame. 7,300 is sitting just up here. So what I'm going to do is just grab a ray tool, drop it in there, double click. So you can add labels. I'm just going to say, I'm just going to type in quarter. Okay, so that's our quarterly highs up in there. So what we are expecting, if the market does take out this level of resistance, then we are going to continue up into that quarterly high. Okay, so keep an eye out for that. If we do get a break and close above, that's what we're going to be looking for. Alternatively, as always, if the dollar does gain strength, then we could see this market fall back into this demand zone. I think as long as Aussie does stay above the demand zone, we are going to see further upside. Okay, so keep an eye on that. There's a nice little intraday trade that we could be seeing this week, a nice little 4-hour swing trade, if the market does want to retrace back to that level before seeing further upside into that 127 extension. Okay, so this has been John Kibler, head currency analyst at Blueberry Markets. If you want to follow us on TradingView, please do so. If you're watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe. Comment below, what do you see happening with this market? Thank you.